In this video, we are going to learn what is FTP and why do we use it. Well, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. So what does that mean? Definitely, it has something to do with transferring files, and protocol means a way or method to do something. In this case, it means a method of transferring files. FTP means moving files from one computer to another, or rather from your computer to a server. Server is just a special computer built to host websites. Whenever you look at websites, these websites are hosted on servers or online, and that is why anybody can access them. The HTML and CSS files, the images, all the files that make up a website are hosted on a special computer, that is a server. So if I try to build a web page, for example this, from the address you can tell that this page is local, and any other website, say Amazon, is public. I can only see this page on my browser and not on any other computer, because all the files required for this page are there in my system or my computer. But what if I want to put my web page on the internet so that everybody can access it? This is called hosting your website. And how do I do it? I need to get this file to a web server, and the way I get this file to a web server is by using FTP, or File Transfer Protocol. We can transfer all the files to a web server so that it can serve the web surfing public. Remember, File Transfer Protocol is not a program. It is not a software application. It is actually just a method. In order to use this method, we need a special computer program, and that special computer program is called FTP client, or File Transfer Protocol client. There are tons of programs available like CyberDuck, FileZilla, etc. Let's understand how it works. FTP client and FTP server relationship uses the File Transfer Protocol to facilitate communications. FTP client sends a signal to FTP server via the control channel, which is used to authenticate the client to facilitate FTP commands. The FTP server then accepts or denies access and lets the FTP client initiate its upload or download on the data channel so that control channel can remain open for browsing files. Any FTP client is a software that you use to manage your interactions with an FTP server. The FTP client will translate your interactions into commands that are sent to the FTP server. File Transfer Protocol was not always this easy. Before FTP clients, FTP actually began by typing commands into a terminal window, which can still be done today. There are a lot of commands that are powerful, but most likely you will use FTP client and never have to type any commands at all. Another use of FTP other than hosting website is to exchange large and bulk files on a routine basis, which is impossible to transfer on email or Drive. Another benefit of FTP is that FTP is quickest and easiest way to transfer files and images. It is widely used in businesses. It comes handy while sharing files with employees, clients, and customers all around the world. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.